Hi, this is Adam with Small Town Machine Shop with a Machinist tool score. Last weekend was a big community yard sale close to me, and I bet you there were literally 100 yard sales. Most of them didn't have much, but one guy had these. He also had a bunch of snap-on tools, mostly engine rebuilding stuff. So I got all these, worked out a price for $20 a piece. Most of them were $25. I bought all the Machinist tools he had, so he gave me a deal. They had lots of snap-on stuff. I probably should have bought some of it, but they're all the same brand. They're NSKs, made in Japan. He said that's because when he had a motor rebuild shop, this was the brand that they sold on the snap-on truck apparently. So he had a set at work, and this was his home set. So let's go through and see what we got. Here. And this one was cheaper because the case is a little rough. 0 to 1 mic. And the cool thing here is all the mics in this set have the analog display on them. So that'd be really cool for videos. And you all got tent scales, carbide faced. This is the only one I really noticed, but the felt. It's kind of because this was his most used one. Cool. That's definitely a case out of the 80s or something. That's a 1-inch. He also had, and this will be my first metric one. It looks immaculate. The wrench and the foam. This is my first metric measuring tool. Precision tool. Gone from there. There's a 1 to 2 with the wrench and the standard. Very nice. There's a velvety case on that one. It's weird how the cases, they're all a little different. With the wrench and the standard. 2 to 3. One of these, yeah. It's all complete with the paperwork. Yeah, and I think that dial's cool. I've never owned a micrometer that had the analog thing on there. These feel like they're good, solid mics too. They look a lot like Mitutoyo's with that finish they have on them. And this one, 4 to 5, the standard is still sealed with the wax ends on it. So it doesn't look like it's ever been out of the box. So very cool. Very cool. Along with that, these up the side. And here, open. Some of these clasps are a little is a depth mic kit. Some of the rods still have the protective coating on the end. This is not sure what size of kit. I don't know if something went there. But it looks all complete. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods in there. A little bit of oil on it. Got some kind of paper there. Very cool. Very cool. This is only my second depth micrometer set. Close. And then get this little guy. And this is a inside mic. Here's the reed head. And what you do on this one, you unscrew this end. Set this down. Then you take like this end, which says 2 on it, and that will thread onto there. And you thread the end cap on, thread protector. And the micrometer itself has a range of half an inch, 500 thou. Doesn't have the spot for a handle like some of the inside mics do. But again, very cool. I've actually never seen a inside mic like this. So definitely, well, at the price, I wasn't going to leave anything away. And that's the adjustment tool for that. It's a very cool inside mic set. Very compact. Yeah. Definitely cannot go wrong. That's probably the single most Machinist stuff I've gotten one place at a time. Especially for that price. So I paid $20 a piece, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I paid $160 for it. I bought some other stuff there too, but yeah, very cool. And those analog things will be really cool for videos, for being able to show measurements and whatnot. Very cool. So yeah, so I wanted to show you guys that. I gotta tell you, at yard sales, okay, you have to stop at every one. Some of the best Machinist deals I bought, that 3-piece Starrett set, the 1, 2, 3 mic set, it was new in the box. $35 at a yard sale. It was the only tool at the yard sale. I hate to say it, but you go to the yard sales and you see older ladies and stuff. Well, through the passage of time and stuff, sometimes stuff happens to their husbands and stuff, and you'll see some of the stuff there. It's sad. But some of the best deals I found have been at, nothing else was there except for that one thing. So stop at yard sales, and you will find it. So yeah, very cool. Thought I'd share you guys with that. These are my first NSK tools, and now I have a good variety, a plethora, if you will. Okay, this is Adam from Small Town Machine Shop. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.